Hi there. Are you tired of being an employee and you are looking for a business that is going to give you an extra income? In today's video, I want to teach you one of the best business you can actually start from home, and this kind of business doesn't require you to have special skills, special requirement, or even a specific location for you to do this business. For you to know more about this business, I want you to stay up to the end of this video. That's when I'm going to give you the benefit you're going to get by just starting one of the business that you can actually launch from home. My name is Brolin Muchesia, and today I'm going to teach you the 8 benefits you get when you actually join a business for home. And many people get to ask that, how can I get started in this kind of business? One thing I want to teach you about is there are so many kind of different business for home, and today one of the business that I'm going to teach you is if you are a person who love to read books, or you have read this book before, Business of 21st Century. This is a book that was written by Robert Kiyosaki, and one of the business he suggests that people should actually get into is business for home is known as network marketing business. So if you want to understand how this kind of business is going to help you, or if you are or the benefit you are going to get, keep on watching the video. As a start, the first benefit you are going to get when actually doing this kind of business is you doesn't need to have special requirements, special location, or special equipment for you to get into this kind of business. For example, this business just requires you to have, maybe let's say, access to the internet. You need your phone, or maybe third-party tools like manual or presentation guide. One thing I like about this business is, for example, when it comes in terms of location, what I just need is a quiet place. Maybe it could be in my bedroom, it could be maybe at the back of our house, it could be maybe, let's say, somewhere in a field. And as long as you have an internet or you have your phone, then you can actually schedule a Zoom meeting, you can make a call, you can actually present to someone or get to show someone how this business is being done. So there are no special requirement, no special tools, no special location, no special office or special setup of equipment. Second benefit is this business is going to give you an extra income. Maybe wherever you are employed, whatever you are earning is maybe not enough for you, and starting a business is going to give you an extra income, something that is going to top up on whatever you're earning. So this kind of business is going to help you in sorting out that question. The 3 benefits you're going to get is, as an employee, sometimes you experience different challenges. For example, this could be, remember, as an employee, you are under someone, you are under a supervisor, a manager, maybe you're working for a certain organization, maybe in a company, or even you are working maybe in an office or just any other place you're working, and you are being bossed around. You are working based on different hours. You are supposed to leave to arrive at certain time, and starting a side hustle is going to help you in slowly building a business and therefore becoming the boss of that business and owning that business. So this business is going to give you an opportunity to be your own boss and set your own standards and your own regulations. Number 4, to succeed in any kind of business, you need what is called training and mentorship. The beauty about business for home is you are going to be trained, you are going to be shown, you are going to receive a mentor, or someone is going to guide you on how to do the business. And the beauty is, it is me. Definitely, I'm going to show you how this business is being done. What you just need is, are you available, are you teachable, and are you coachable? Because I'm going to train you, I'm going to mentor you, I'm going to show you how everything is done by this business. What you just need is to allow yourself, open your mind, and get to be taught on how this business is being done. So that is the benefit you are going to get when you join a business for home. Number 5 benefit is, you don't have to quit your job, or you don't have to quit whatever you are doing. With this business, you can actually do it on part-time. What you just need to have is the time to do the business. For example, it could be maybe over the weekend, during your free days, or the days after just leaving your work or before going to your work, or even that time that you feel that you are free. That is the moment you can decide, let me set at least 30 minutes, 1 hour, or 3 hours, depending with the free time you have, and you get to learn something about this business. For example, you can decide, let me learn on how to present, let me learn on communication skills, let me learn on, or let me respond back to the question that people are asking me about the business. So you don't have to quit your job, you don't have to quit whatever you are doing. What you just need is a part-time or an extra hour, and you get to do the business. Another benefit with this kind of business is, If you love traveling, you love events, you love going out, you love maybe visiting different nature, different location, then you find that your work is not allowing you, or is restricting you from enjoying this kind of benefit, then my friend, this is the business for you. Now in business for home, it doesn't need to remember I was talking about being your own boss. Maybe having special location or special place to work from. This kind of business allow you to do from anywhere. And when I look at traveling, maybe the people who are going to join, or someone can join your team and is coming from a different location, different country, different region, and you have never been there, and you need to go and train this person or train this team, and that is when traveling will come in. Maybe going to that place, you need to go with a plane, you need to go with a train, or maybe over the seas, and it could be your first time. So you are going to enjoy the nature of, apart from traveling, apart from going out, apart from visiting a different location, you are not only going to train your people, but you are also traveling. So business for home allows you to interact, network with people from different location and different countries. As I'm almost winding up, if you are a person that who has low self-esteem, your level of confidence, communication skills, or you don't actually believe in yourself that you can present, you can stand before people, then I want to assure you this business is an ideal for you. Personally, I was a person that who was very shy. I couldn't stand before people. I couldn't talk. Maybe I just had a small cocoon of friends. Because I was a person who was very shy. You asked me to present. I was a person maybe who was shivering. Maybe I will be fidgeting, or maybe I wouldn't even stand before a crowd and actually talk to them. But courtesy of this business, I'm able to present. I'm able to talk to people. Also, I'm able to hold my camera or my phone and actually record myself, because I'm talking to you or I'm talking to many people. And that is how this business can actually help you build your confidence. So if you want to work, or if you want to improve on your confidence, if you want to improve on your self-esteem, if you want to improve on your communication skills, then this business is for you. And second last is, when you hear a business, there are so many things that are coming in your mind. One, you need, for example, capital. You need the raw materials. Maybe you need certain tools. Maybe you need the target audience, your client. You need maybe to pay for rent. Maybe you need the office bills. You need maybe the materials to run that business. And you ask yourself, all these things requires money, or requires capital for you to start. But business for home, what you just need is starting capital alone. You don't need raw materials, you don't need staff, you don't need bills, you don't need to pay for other materials that are actually needed for this business. No, what you just need is a starting capital, which is very minimal, and you are good to go. And lastly, maybe you're asking yourself, can I do this business? Do you have people who have succeeded in this kind of business? Personally, when I was joining this kind of business, I was still a student, and remember I said that I was a person who was very shy. I couldn't present, I couldn't talk before people. But courtesy of the training, the coaching, and the mentorship, here I am today. I can actually do the business, I can present to it, I can actually answer any question to any person whenever they need it. So I want to assure you, if you are going to follow the steps, you're going to follow the trainings, then you have a guarantee that you are going to succeed in this business. So those are some of the benefits you are going to get when you join a business for home. And the questions you have, maybe you want to know more about this kind of business, I'm going to leave my WhatsApp contact in the description section down below. Where there is more, click there. You're going to go to description section, check out my WhatsApp number is there. I'm ready to answer all the questions you have. I'm ready to support you, and I'm ready to help you in understanding and getting started in this business. But if you have a question, you can leave it in the comment section and I'll be able to answer you. However, I want to thank you for watching this video. Don't leave before you subscribe for you not to miss more business ideas. Like this video, share it, and I'm waiting you on my WhatsApp.